Hey guys, so I think I found a possible solution for the problems I was having yesterday while I was flying. Um, and I guess if you didn't see the video yesterday, my Mavic Air 2, I was getting about like 50 feet of range before it gets disconnected from the controller. So I'm like, what's going on with this? It's getting even less range than my Mavic Mini. It's kind of ridiculous. So I was up pretty late on my schedule last night. Trying to find a solution. So we're gonna go give it a try, see if it works. I'm gonna set up my drone just like right over here and see how it goes. Using my new backpack I got from Decathlon. Alright, get this set up real quick. Let's see. You know, I'm not a huge fan of this case actually. It's got it's just kind of soft, you know. I feel like it's squish. You can get it squished really easily. The old Mavic Mini case, not the Mini 2 case, but the Mavic Mini case was like a hard shell. It's pretty nice. So I might look into getting a different one of these. If any Mavic Air 2 flyers are out there that have any recommendations, let me know in the comment section. Because I don't want to stick with this for too long. I also kind of wonder if like the issue, it shouldn't be, right? The issue might be with the controller because like this one doesn't really have antennas like the Mavic Mini controller did. I guess this is technically the antenna. You put your phone in, but I don't know, it just doesn't seem as effective to me. And like you can also put like range extenders on the Mavic Mini controller. I don't know if they really help at all, but I've been using them. I haven't really done a comparison to see, you know, how effective it is. But actually, I do like this design more because I have a relatively large phone. Oh, sorry. Oh, do you know what? It's not going in because I have this, what do you call this? The thing on the back. So, let's see. I'll stick it up a little bit. Just like that. It's not ideal, but so just stick it in. There we go. So I do like this controller a little bit more than the old controller just because of the way the phone goes in. So obviously my phone's kind of placed funny in this. I don't usually use this phone, but I'm recording on my Huawei right now. So, but I put a thing on the back here so it doesn't really fit on it too well. But anyway, yeah, let me just get this set up and start flying. So I'm thinking the issue might be caused by the version of the app, actually, the most recent version of 1.2.0 and above. Apparently this update added features or functions for the Mavic Mini 2, but apparently it's caused some issues for both the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Air 2. And so one thing I noticed that right here in the transmission settings, this frequency setting was completely missing from my app yesterday. So usually you can choose between 2.4 gigahertz, 5.8 gigahertz, or like I guess this is the dual band, it's like the automatic setting. That was completely missing from my my settings, so I don't know what it was running on. And then this here, everything I was getting yesterday when I was looking at the channel mode, I was having very unstable frequency. And so I think that, you know, that might have been the issue, because what I did last night was I rolled back the app. I installed I think on this phone I have the 1.1.6 installed or something. I think you can do up to 1.1.10. Those ones, I think that's the last update before they updated it to the 1.2.0 or something. And so I believe if you stick with that app, it should be fine. Alright, I'm going to try this again. So I was having a problem earlier. I this phone doesn't have mobile data on it because I put my SIM card in my Huawei, right? And so I wasn't getting any maps showing up, so I was like, I don't want to fly the drone too far because I can't, I don't know where it is. So anyway, I got the Google Maps, or the whatever it is, map box back on here, and so I can see the drone's location. I'm going to go ahead and take off and check out. I'm not going to fly too far, but we'll see how much range I'm getting, or if there's any more interference compared with last time. So let me just take a look at the transmission setting, make sure that's still there, dual band. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and take off. So already it is doing much better than it was yesterday. Like, I'm at 62 meters altitude right now, and so far no issues with RC interference. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. 79 meters, 90 meters. Okay, 90 meters. Up to 100 meters. Just check my surroundings, make sure I'm not going to hit anything. I'm going to fly up a little bit higher, and let's take a look. Let's see how far. So I'm flying over buildings right now, and so far, yeah, I'm not experiencing any interference. So this is great. Wow. Yeah, this is really good. It's so much better than the Mavic Mini now. Now that I've got it, now that I've figured out the issues. So supposedly, and I have my maximum flight altitude on, so I can't go too much higher. But yeah, this is crazy. Like, I've already gone farther than I've been able to get with the Mavic Mini here, and I don't know if it's just because of the app version I had installed, but either way, this is so much better. There is a little bit of interference, but let's see. Okay, I just face the direction that my drone is, and the interference is already gone. So that's it, I guess. That's the solution. If you have a Mavic Air with some issues of connectivity, RC interference, and you're not getting great range at all, try rolling your app version back if you have the 1.2.1 installed, and see if that fixes it. I'm over here. So, you definitely have to keep your antennas pointed the direction you're going, otherwise you will lose connection. And I am getting a little bit of interference right here, but I am flying directly above some buildings. Probably normal. But overall, the connection isn't bad, and as long as it, I don't think I was getting any RC interference errors there. But anyway, I'm going to come back and fly a little bit more tomorrow. I've still got some groceries to buy, so don't have time to fly around too much today. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed the content, please help me out by clicking the like and subscribe button, as well as the bell icon, so that you are notified every time I post a video. See you guys next time.